Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. And in this video, I'll be doing a curl takedown. And this is a little different for me. I'm curling just the ends, as you can see. And I just thought, why not? Why not? I decided I really want curls, but I just didn't want to deal with the literal headache that comes with it. And it wasn't that bad dealing with the curls on just on the ends. As you can see, I'm actually wearing two infinity head wraps on my hair, and I was able to move around like this, like I was wearing a cardigan and I had this underneath the cardigan. So so I was able to mask it as I was out and about. Might be important to somebody. I don't really care about people seeing my rollers though, personally, generally speaking. But yeah, I did a wash and retwist, and it has been in here for about 2 days, maybe a little more, maybe three, maybe 2.5. I'll say 2.5 days to be safe. I wasn't even planning on keeping it in this long, truly. I did use my hood attachment to my blow dryer so that I could just wear it for a day, but I just didn't really feel like recording to take it down. And because I didn't feel like recording, I ended up keeping it in a day longer and then another day. So here we are. One of them already fell out like 3 minutes ago. So there's that. But I'm going to go ahead and take them all down now. All right. So what do you guys think? How do you like the curls towards the ends? I think I like it a little bit more once it starts to drop a little more. It kind of looks accidental, but I guess it wouldn't look that bad. Like if I put in ponytails, I don't think I would wear it like this, but maybe one ponytail. I'll probably wear it in one ponytail. Yeah, that'd be cute. Like a one curly ponytail. Yeah. Or like a high one. But I'm not too sure how I feel about it down yet. Maybe I like it more when it drops a little more. Yeah, but let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try this. Have you ever tried just curling the ends, and how did you like your results? I don't think I mind it like this, but yeah, let me know what you think. And remember, you can head over to KeishaCharmaine.com today and get your Love Light and Locks products. Buy one get one free. You can grab the horsetail leaf growth oil, the rosewater moisturizer and refill, and the emu oil growth drops. I don't have it handy at the moment, but yes, they're all available on KeishaCharmaine.com. Buy one get one free. Just add your desired products to your cart. And if you want to just buy the whole collection, you can get the Nurture with Nature box, and it's already discounted as a bundle. Oh, and you can head over to Amazon and grab my new book, More Than a Hair Journey 2, the 15th Lockiversary edition. Just type in More Than a Hair Journey 2 and it'll pop right up. Remember to support the new book. It's the 15th Lockiversary edition, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locks.